Ja, wir sind jetzt auf dem Weg zu Melissa und Jackson. Das ist ein junges Pärchen. Die bekommen auch bald ihr Baby. Und die sind ein bisschen so, haben einen ähnlichen Leben, seit einigen Jahren eine ähnliche Vision oder einen Traum wie wir. Haben jetzt eigenes Roland gekauft. Wir haben sich mit mehreren Leuten zusammengetan und haben sich jetzt ihr eigenes Land gekauft und leben da jetzt. Und die besuchen wir jetzt.
So this is our little life. Wow. This is our bus that we live in. And we've been in here for maybe 3 or 4 months. And what happens if you are allowed to grow into your best and brightest self, and like what if you could create the world around you that you really loved and was specifically made to suit you and your happiness and your needs. So that's what this land is about. You know, there's a number of families living here and lots of children, and we're about to have a child. And it's about how do we live together in harmony and sustainability.
Ihr wollt wahrscheinlich jetzt was zu fressen bekommen, ne? Hey. Die Schweinchen beißt über den Füße. Das ist eine Schwitzhütte, da macht man so ein Ritual. Das wird wieder mit Decken zugemacht. Da macht man heiße Steine in die Mitte und dann schwitzt man, wie die Indianer.
Okay, well, like, we think like it all starts, the world around you starts within, so you have to get yourself sorted out first. You have to sort of be willing to confront your own cultural conditioning, your own egoic hang-ups, your own karma. You have to like be willing to like explore that. And if you are, and you can get right with yourself, then automatically the people you attract will be similar vibrationally, because people are attracted to other things like themselves. So if I want this place to be beautiful and organized and like filled with capable, heartfelt people, like I need to be beautiful, clean and organized and heartfelt as much as I can. So it's like, it starts with Melissa and I, it starts from a nucleus of love and like communication and just openness and like, what is the intention? What do we want? And then it just starts there, and then we just radiate outwards. We just, by being ourselves.
One of the major components was that we began doing like a massage and talk therapy, I guess you could call it, with our friend Lenny. And so it was like, and he has his philosophy, which I very firmly believe in, is that if we can get our relationship with our opposite sex parent straight within ourselves, whatever that means for us, then most other relationships in life will be able to be sorted out.
So on a practical level, what we do is we try to encourage like the love energy by just being very loving and listening to the people around us and like supporting them and making sure that they feel loved. And when people start arguing or that, you know, negative energy comes up, like we have a policy that we've just sort of introduced where it's like, okay, if you find yourself going kind of going to a separation place and you're attacking each other, like take a walk. Take a walk together, because it's fine to sort of go through whatever it is you're going through, but do it in a place where it's not going to affect anybody else's life. So just take it off the land, and there's lots of like space to walk. I think like a lot of what I learned through my emotional growth training was stuff that could have been communicated to me in a very gentle and non-verbal way, where it's just like, spend some time outdoors, like spend some time silent, get to know the plants around you, like learn to dance with the world around you.
Hey! Yeah, please!